In synchronized slow motion, the massive hooks connect near the engine bays. 4 of the 8 high-tension cables are now attached, ready to bear the weight.
The deep-sea sensor package completes its final check on the tension load cells, confirming all 8 cables are ready, currently registering 0 load.
Keep coming left, slowly now. Roger that, watching the clearance on the starboard side.
Lowering to final position. Stand by for contact.
Contact confirmed. Weight transfer complete.
Roger that. Moving in to secure. Secure the forward tensioner now.
Cables detached and clear.
All right, Tug, take the slack. Slow bell ahead. Secure the front sling. Checked. Cleared to lift on your mark.
Confirmed contact. The load is secure on the cradle. We are grounded.
All right, the forward section is stable.
Looks good back here too. Ready for phase 3.
All right, that's the last section of the ECS ducting. Good.
Now we can finally access the wing spar box for treatment.
Looks perfect, exactly to spec.
The lines are incredibly sharp.
Another successful phase completed.
Initiate manual sweep at 5 degrees.
Engaging hydraulics now. Movement is smooth.
Okay, easy now. Bring it down 5 centimeters. Copy that. Watching the port side clearance.
The F-110 engine is precisely guided by mechanics using alignment bars. It slides smoothly into...
Alignment confirmed. Proceed with insertion.
Pin seated. Structural integrity restored.
Check the pivot pin housing alignment.
Looks good. Go ahead and torque the final bolts.
Check the pivot pin housing alignment.
Looks good. Go ahead and torque the final bolts.
Initiating power sequence now.
Confirming green light on auxiliary systems.
Chocks are inserted, ground is clear.
Roger that. Clear to spool engines.
Chocks removed, clear to taxi.
Roger that, proceeding.